Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, let's continue with our finish cut. What I'm going to do is just do save and copy, so we have a new operation, and we'll go directly to our technology. I don't need to do a rough cut, so I'm going to cancel rough. When I open finish, you'll note that we have ceiling, wall, and floor. If I want, I can finish all three of them at the same time. By doing this, my offset area is completely grayed out because we're not leaving any kind of offset. Now, as far as our cut from goes, we have the exact same options we had in our rough cut. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, middle to bottom. Let's take a look at our simulation, and again, we'll use Solid Verify. We'll do this one step at a time, and as you can see, the tool is now going in, clearing off the middle. Now it's going and clearing off the floor as well, and then doing the top. And repeating these also on the other side. Now, let's go back and see what happens if I only want to do the ceiling. So I'll get rid of the floor wall finish as well as the floor finish. You'll note that my offsets are left open over here so that it knows exactly up until where to go with our finish on the ceiling itself. Again, let's run our simulation using Solid Verify. And this time, you'll note that the tool will go down and work only on our ceiling. Going across, doing the same thing on the other side, only on the ceiling. If I were to do only wall, you'll note that the offset here is set for the ceiling and the floor, and it'll only finish the wall itself. Let's take a look at the simulation again using Solid Verify, and you'll see this time that the tool will go down to the middle and clear off up until the floor and the ceiling, leaving that material for a different cut. Now, if I want, I can also do just the floor, having the same effect that we had before. I can also do a combination. I can do both ceiling and floor without finishing the wall. As you noticed, the wall offset is what's left open. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.